So for this project, I was inspired by vloggers and how they provide little video snippets of an average week in their life. Usually influencers' vlogs of the week in their life are far more interesting than mine, but I try to do the same thing with pictures. So to start off the week, I ran errands. It was payday, so I got myself some Starbucks, and then I went to Trader Joe's and got these peppermint cookies. I definitely recommend. They're Christmas time cookies, and they have little chips of peppermint bark in them. They're very good, and they kind of make you feel healthy in a way. I don't know how to describe it. Next is a more average mundane task where I am sitting down just doing homework, doing some discussion boards, and then watching some Netflix, having some relaxing time. Next is me at my internship. I took a picture of me doing the scorecards for GU basketball. They're pretty, they take a lot of time to fill out, and there's a lot of little things you have to do with them, but I like to do them. And then next is me at a GU basketball game. I work the media table, and I edit and choose pictures to post on the social media sites. Next, I got Thai food at this Thai food restaurant that gives 15% off to GU students, but it's not a good Thai food restaurant. I would not recommend. And next is me at a Spokane Chiefs hockey game. I really love hockey, and the Spokane Chiefs are not too bad at a junior hockey league. They ended up losing to the Seattle Thunderbirds, which is my home team. And then next is me downtown Spokane, walking on my way to work. And next picture is me at work. I work at Free People. So throughout this project, I decided to try to use the same filter for each photo. I kind of realized after I used this filter, I didn't really like it because it made some pictures not look super great, especially this one, downtown Spokane. Downtown Spokane is much prettier than this picture depicts, but I wanted to create a similar theme, even though I was doing different things throughout these photos. And that's the end. Thank you.